The filing of nominations for the first phase of Lok Sabha election will end today, while in Bihar, the last date of filing of nominations is tomorrow. The Election Commission has issued an advisory to chief electoral officers of all the states and union territories in view of heat wave. Philippines President Ferdinand R. Marcos has expressed his gratitude to India for its swift and decisive action in rescuing Filipino crew members of a merchant ship attacked by Houthi rebels in the Gulf of Aden this month. Air Chief Marshal V.R. Chowdhury, while addressing the 15th Jumbo Majumdar International Seminar on Aerospace Power in Future Conflicts, has said that Balakot-like operations have shown that given the political will, aerospace power can be effectively carried out beyond enemy lines. Press Information Bureau has started a microsite pib.gov.in/elect2024/index.aspx, having several features as one-stop facilitation portal for media persons reporting for General Election 2024.